Hello there, good morning, good afternoon, and good evening. So on this video, we're going to talk about ChatGPT for Excel. Quickly create your own datasets. And with this one right here, I'm currently inside ChatGPT, and I have so much videos about this, so please check them out. So for this video, we're going to mainly focus on chatting or creating some datasets for you to work with using ChatGPT. Now take note before we get started, we're only using the free plan, because if I click on this one right here, this is going to be the prices. We have the free plan right here, access to GPT-4o or 4.0 mini. That's going to be it. For the plus, that will be $20 per month. You can have GPT-4, GPT-4o mini, and GPT-4 basically. Now, with that being said, with this one, what can we do here? So first things first, if you want your ChatGPT to look a little bit dark mode, simply go to your icon right there, and then you can customize on this option right here and make it dark theme. That's going to be the first one. And you're going to have right here some previous conversations. Now, if you want to create a new chat, simply click on that one right there, and you'll be good to go. Also, for ChatGPT, now we can add some attachment file, but that will be limited up to 5 MB, since we have a free trial. Anyway, for this one, let's create a prompt. So basically, what is a prompt? Prompt is whatever you want ChatGPT to work with. So let me start on my right here. I have my handy dandy notepad. So first thing I'm going to type is, I'm going to set the expectations. So ChatGPT can know what I'm expecting. ChatGPT can know what I'm looking for. So for this one, I type in, I work in HR and I need a sample data set to practice my Excel with, or Excel skills with. Let me just click on space. Perfect. And with this one, I'm going to click Shift, Enter, and Enter. And then I'm going to paste my next prompt here. So these are prompts now. Imagine you're just talking to a person and that person will create anything for you. So for the next prompt, I'm going to have create a sample data sheet or data set that has the following: columns, employment, job title, up to salary and manager. Now let's go also together. Last prompt right here, I want to make it perfect. For the last one, I would like this data to be in tabular format so I can work with it in Excel. Notice guys that there are spaces in between the prompts here. That means each one of them are not really linked together, so ChatGPT can really understand what you want. Now, I always say this on my videos that it's best practice to get the desired results or the best results you can have on any AI actually is have a very specific prompt. So I'm going to click on enter here and say you want inside. So welcome back to the video. Right here, I have a screenshot I want to show you because this one right here is going to be the paid plan results. So since we only have the free trial, it will give us the link. Now, if I click on this one right here, that would be right now an Excel file. So that's what we're looking for. However, if you have the paid plan, you can have a preview inside ChatGPT itself on what to expect on your file. Take note about that one. That will be the main differences of the paid plan and the free trial. So let me just open the Excel file now to check. So welcome back to the video. Now with this one right here, as you can see, we have everything we've asked for. Employee name, job title, department, extension number, hire date, employment status, salary, and manager. Take note guys that these are 50 datasets or data that I did not type. I'm not going to type all the thing here because that will take so much time. That will only took me 2 minutes using ChatGPT. And that is totally for free. And right here, let me just zoom in just a little bit before we go back on ChatGPT. I want to show you that under employee name, everything is perfect. However, for job title and department, it's a bit more confusing because for Dennis Fox, HR manager under operations, I think this should be under HR, right? Like this one right here. And then for data analyst, that would be for IT. Software engineer, this should also be under IT. That being said, there is still some bugs and errors here since we only have the free trial. Now let's me try creating a new dataset with a fixed job title, department, and all other information here. Let's go back and ChatGPT. So welcome back to the video. With this one, you don't have to start from scratch. It's just like talking to another person. So I have this prompt right here, and I'm just gonna simply say awesome. However, I would like the job title, and just fix that one, column and department column to be contextual, i.e. or example, if someone has a title HR specialist, they work in HR. Something like that. I'm gonna click on enter now. I'll see you once it's here. So welcome back to the video. Now as you can see right here, the ChatGPT really reads what's inside the formula. Since I already have it right here, I would like the job column to be department column. And if someone has a job title HR, they work in HR, right? And it already read the file and give it a go. So it will asking me I would like this data to be in tabular and to work in Excel. I'll see you back in Excel. Now welcome back to the video. So this is going to be the new file here. As you can see right now, the name are still the same. Actually, everything is the same here. The only change is the job title and the department. For HR manager, that will be HR, IT, that will be IT, data analyst for IT, HR manager again for IT, sales executive for marketing, accountant for accounting. That's going to be it. By the way guys, if you want to download this exact example here, the option there right be clicking that button right here. If you have the paid version, that download button right there can give you the downloaded version of the CSV file. On my end, it gave me this one. It's basically the same thing. So please click on this part right there and it will go directly in here. No problem at all. And now back to Excel. Since we have a data here, let's convert it into a powerful table. So I'm just going to select everything and then insert table here like so. Click on OK. And now I have an awesome table. By the way guys, I have so much Excel videos that you can check to teach you the workaround, the best practice inside Excel, so please check them out. And for table design, I can choose which one is which do I like. I can go here, this one right there, or create my own table style. But for now, I'm gonna go with the basic one, the blue one right here. And I can now sort everything here. So for example, under employee name, I can do so. If I only want the HR department to be here, I can simply click on that one. So everyone here is HR. Now we're still inside Excel because before I go back on ChatGPT, I want to show you something here. So if you're familiar with pivot, for example, this is filter, right? So pivot basically gives you a much more defined filter mode. And now I'm going to try ChatGPT to create a dataset that we can use for pivot format. Let's go inside ChatGPT now. Now as you can see right here, I have typed this format or prompt. I am a data analyst and I need you to generate some sample data that can be used in the pivot table. Please use data related to coffee shop sales. I would like at least 50 rows of the data in tabular format. And with that being said, this is now what we have here. This is at least 50, if I'm not mistaken. So feel free to use this data for your pivot table and analysis. Now that is going to be a really awesome table. You can do so much more here. For example, you can change the product name, add some table columns here, and the works. So for now, let me try some more additional here. I'm going to type in great. Can you give me, or let's just say, can you convert this into an Excel file? Something like that. Let me just finish typing this one. And with that being said, click on answer, and I'll see you once it's here. So welcome back to the video. This is now our table. Again guys, this is now going to be inside Excel, wherein you can change the color to your liking. Easy as that. Now let's try using this in a pivot table because we asked ChatGPT, right, to create a pivot. To summarize with the pivot table, click on OK, and we have this right here. I have date right there. I have product, quantity sold, unit price, total sales, and of course employees here. If I want to add quantity sold, that will be it. And basically that's the power of ChatGPT. Take note guys, we only have the free trial as of now. Imagine what we can do if you had the paid subscription. And with that being said, thank you so much for watching. Please hit the like button, subscribe. I'll catch you guys on the next one. Goodbye for now.